Hey guys, I'm being quiet right now. This is my cat's new toy. This makes noises. This goes squeakers. I'm gonna see how she reacts. Kitty, you got your mouse. Get your mouse. She loves her new toy. Oh, I've never seen her act like that. Attack it, baby. Attack it. Attack it. It does make noises. Oh, it's like your best friend toy. Oh, that's just so adorable. Oh, I like her new toy. She was like playing a lot yesterday, and her chicken. Yeah, her chicken has catnip, so I'm not giving her the chicken. That's why I give her the mouse. Wow. Also subscribe or no cookies for the rest of the video. That is okay. Bye.